Pikalabs is an amazing text-to-video service that's available for free. It's currently in beta and anybody can use it, and it's so easy to use. Navigate to pika.art and you'll be asked to sign in with your Gmail account. You'll notice here that it tells me that I'm on a wait list, but one thing I want to share with you is if you scroll down and you click on the Discord button, it's going to bring you to Discord. If you're not familiar with Discord, it's a service that is free to use, a lot of different servers on it, and you just need to create your own account if you don't have one yet, or just log in with your existing account. I already have a Discord account, so I'm going to hit accept invite. Here at Pika's main screen, you'll want to go to read the instructions to get started. So there's instructions here, not going to go into it all. I think what you need to focus on is the section that says generate 1, generate 2, generate 3, etc. If you click on one of these, what you're going to find is you're going to find that it's a sort of a chat. A lot of creators are creating text to video within the chat. Here's an example here from Momi. It has the prompt and it actually has what the video is. So you can see here it's the peace sign, it's being animated. Below it, it can be uploaded, it can be downvoted, it can be refreshed, and then this button here actually allows you to revise the prompt. Now, if you're somebody that doesn't want to be jumbled into all of the creators creating at once, what you can do is you can go to the top right here and show members list, and there is a Pika bot, and you can use a server to actually go into a private chat. Me personally, it doesn't really matter, so I'm going to actually create, I'm just going to create it here within the public forum. To get started, you'll want to go down to the text prompt here, and you want to start with /, so you'll see a dialog box come up. There's really two ways to create images or create videos. One of them is using a prompt, so a prompt is something that you create. The other one is animate, and that's using an existing picture that you have on file. I'm actually going to show you both examples. So first I'll go to the create and use a prompt. Here I have a prompt that I actually grabbed from Midjourney. Midjourney is also within Discord, and I'll give credit to Quinox, who was initially posting this in Midjourney. But it's really a woman inspired by Blade Runner 1980s style costume, supposed to be a fashion shoot, and I think this will really give us a good result. So I'm going to hit enter and I'm going to generate the image. So it takes a minute or so, but here it is. Here's the actual image, so I'll play it for you. You can see it looks very ominous, looks like a replicant, looks Blade Runner, it looks amazing, and I really, really like it. So again, if I wanted to actually revise this prompt, I could click here, I can make the adjustments, I could hit submit, and then I could refresh it. But let's now show you how to create it from using an existing image. So we go back to chat, we go this time hitting the /, we go to animate, and now Pika is asking us to upload an image. So I want to keep with the same theme. I was actually using Microsoft Image Creator, completely free. It is mirrored off of DALL-E, uses the DALL-E 3 architecture, and I use this same prompt to create an image, which I'm going to upload now. So here's the image, you can see it. It's a woman just staring off into the distance. There's people behind her. She's wearing a very Blade Runner style jacket from the movies that the detectives would wear, and this is what I'm going to use to animate the video. And here it is, so I'll just play it for you. I mean, look how amazing this is. You know, she's blinking, the jacket is moving, there's people walking around in the background. Just play it again for you there. Pika generates clips up to 3 seconds, but if you're somebody who's creative, you're looking to create B-roll, you're really good with prompts, and or you just like to play with different prompts, you can really create a number of different images, string them together, and tell a story. What I'll do is in the description, I'll leave links to Pika, I'll leave links to Discord and to Microsoft Image Creator. Would love to see what kind of prompts you're using, what you're creating, and leave those comments in the description below. And I'll see you in the next video.